What's up, what's up, what's up? Right now, right here with Shan Moore on Spotlight with Zoom. And you guys have seen me definitely before on a lot of social media platforms of my friends' accounts like Jacqueline Fernandez, Shraddha Kapoor, Kriti Sanon. Yes, guys, I've been a makeup artist for last 8 years in Bollywood and I've finished 50 films. Today I'm creating a look which is one of the most iconic looks which I really loved and enjoyed doing was for the movie Judua 2 with Jacqueline Fernandez. And of course you guys all know the song Tan Tana Tan where Jackie is wearing this beautiful jumpsuit with a really nice high ponytail and with rings on the head and this beautiful smoky eyes. And I'm going to recreate this look and you guys watch and enjoy.
Hey everyone! So we are here to discuss the most amazing look that we did in Judua 2 with Shan Moore Artistry. Shan Moore has been my makeup artist for a very, very long time. We've done extremely interesting looks together. And but definitely one of my favorites have been the Judua 2 Tan Tana Tan look and that finale look that we did with the ponytail and the smoky eyes.
When we were shooting for the song, usually for films, we don't have so much of time to create a new look. On that particular day, we had no time and David sir was giving us exactly 10 minutes to get ready. And Jackie was like, Shan, just do something. So I gave a really nice high ponytail and the horseshoe section, I braided it half and we put some rings and it was really nice gelled back. And trust me guys, it took us exactly 10 minutes to do it. Right, Soumya?
Yeah.
And now it's time for us to do the face. So always start preparing your skin really well because when you do makeup, you make sure that your skin is really clean and neat. After the clean skin, make sure guys that you guys use a really good primer because primer helps to close the pores and also makes the makeup stay longer on your face. Then I start first with the eyes. Yes. And use a nice eye primer again, so that the base or the pigment stays on the eyelid and smudge it with your finger.
We did a bunch of different looks, 3 actually, but the last one with the ponytail and the black catsuit and the smoky eyes was really something to remember. Of course, it was all my suggestions, by the way. But yeah, Shan did have one suggestion, it was to put rings in my hair, which I fought with him about. First of all, Shan was suggesting to put rings in my head, which sounded very strange and weird to me, but he insisted and it turned out really amazing. So thank you!
So now it's time to play around with the color, of course. So I always use an eye pencil and make sure that I give a nice coat of it and I elongate it in the ends of the eyes so that the eyes looks really nice and large and almondy. Whenever I do smoky eyes and if I have to create a new look on a existing makeup look, then what I do is the easiest is you take the black and make sure you guys cover the whole eyelid with the black pencil. And now what I do is I'm going to take the same kohl, look up, and of course put it inside the waterline. In the end of the lower eyelid, I'm going to connect it with the line and make sure it's thicker and towards the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to draw it really thin so that the eyes look like an almond shape. So now I'm going to use a really nice dark chocolatey brown eyeshadow. I never go first step with black. So what I do is I use a really nice dark chocolatey brown and of course make my cut crease first. And make sure guys that you guys blend it really well. And now for Soumya, I'm going to use the exact same color which I've used for Jackie, which is like a goldenish color on the face. So now I'm going to use my beauty blender and I am going to just smudge the base all over the face. So now to contour, I always use 2 bases, which is one is a base with red undertone and one is a really dark brown. The contour base which I use for the cheeks is always has a red undertone so that it looks really nice and it highlights the high cheekbones. And for the rest of the face, I'm using another contour stick, which is really deep, dark brown. So now it's time for me to use, of course, a little bit of blush. And if you have this beautiful kind of a smoky eye, try to avoid to cut out pinks and all those kind of colors. I'm going to use a little bit of an orange blusher, only in the corner of the face. And I'm going to blend it out so that there's some color on the face and will look much more natural. Now I'm definitely going to use my favorite highlighter because any bronzy look needs that extra shine. And I'm using in the high cheekbones, a little bit on the apple of the cheeks, so that the skin looks nice and dewy. So now, of course, it's the most glamorous part to do, and of course, it's the lips. And for this look, because it's nice and smoky eyes, I gave a beautiful brown shade lip color. So I'm going to first lip line with a nice lip liner. I hope you guys enjoyed this Judua look which I created on Jackie, and this is definitely your guys' next go-to party look. The smoky eyes, nude lips.
I really do hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I know Sean's a terrible person to follow on tutorials because he explains things so badly. Sean knows I'm joking, by the way.
Hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.